Welcome guys to our new video, and today we are going to discuss upon the trade which I done on 31st of May. Actually I done this trade inside the CPR. Mostly I avoid the trade whenever the candle is inside the CPR, but I will share you the strong reason why I done this trade, and we'll discuss about some important levels. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. And before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you will enjoy the lot more videos like this. So let's start the video. So guys, before moving on to the trade, let's mark the important level of previous day, which is 30th of May. So there is a two important level which all of you used to about it and all of you know, which is previous day high and previous day low. And there is another third important level, which is this is the level. So you guys are amazed what is this level all about. So I will share you what is this level is all about. So for that we have to move backward till 4th of May. So I will show you what is this level is all about. So look what happened on 4th of May. The 4th of May market is in the trending day because of this narrow to average CPRs, and it exactly took support on this level. So this is the day's low for 5th of May. 5th of May market also come to near to this level, but it didn't retest the level. So this level is still acts as a strong support. And what happened on 6th of May? So 6th of May market opens with a big gap down. So whenever the market opens with a big gap down and gap up, because nowadays you will see the lot of gap down and gap up opening is happening. I will make the separate video on this point, like why this stuff is happen. So right now we will discuss about this trade. Whenever the gap up and gap down opening you see, you have to mark the gap up and gap down level, because this levels acts as a strong support and resistance for the next day or for the future. So this is the level which is the gap up level. So I have marked this level. So after the 4th May market hasn't reached this level. You can see here till the 30th of May market hasn't retested the level. The level is still the virgin level. So what happened on 30th of May, I will discuss with you. So on 30th of May, whenever the market goes to that level, look what happened. There is a big pin bar on upside. That means there is a strong sellers are present there. They don't want market to go upside, they don't want to hit their stop loss. So that's why they are continuously pushing the market at downside. So you can see how important this level acts for this for the 30th of May chart. So after this there is a one breakout candle from this level. If any novice trader have marked this level, they are immediately go long on this candle, because this is the breakout candle. And when they will go long, why I am not comfortable to go long, because you can see here there is a no consolidation here. So that's why if there is a no consolidation, there is a less chance, there is a greater chance to fake breakout. That's why it is a fake breakout. Obviously whenever if you go long on this candle, where should you put your stop loss? Obviously on downside of this zone, previous day high zone, which we mark already, and this your stop loss will get triggered here. So novice trader immediately their stop loss has been triggered. Anyway, we are not going to discuss upon on this trade. So what happened after that, market is goes on after hitting the stop loss, and look here. Initially this level acts as a resistance, and now this level acts as a strong support here. Look what happened here. There is a big wicks on downside, and here we see there is a big wicks on upside, and now the big wicks on downside. Means there's a strong buyers are present here. They don't want to hit their stop loss. They don't want market to go down from this level. That's why they are continuously pushing market upside. So you can see this kind of a big wicks here. So you can this levels is very important, like this acts as a support now. So you have to mark this level. That's why this is the main reason why I mark this level. And for moving on to the 31st of May trade, you can see the market opens with a red candle and have the pin bar on downside. Means there is a buyers are present there. They don't want market to go down. So you can't expect the trending day. And you can see the CPR is a wide CPR, kind of a wide CPR only. So you can't expect a trending day here. You can expect a sideways day. 70% you can expect a sideways day, and that's what happens. So you can't decide that on first candle that I will go long, I will put my stop loss on above the CPR, because look what happened. If you put your stop loss above the CPR, your stop loss will get triggered. So expect a kind of a trending day whenever this you see this kind of a CPR. So market has suddenly reversed from this level, and and you will get your stop loss will get triggered if you go long on the first candle itself. So I am expecting the CPR breakout from at this day on 31st of May. I will share you why I am expecting the CPR breakout, because as I said you earlier also, in a CPR the central line is the most important compared to the top line and bottom line. This is the center line. Center line is the most important, and there is a two confirmation there, center line also, and the zone which we marked earlier, the gap up zone is also present there. So once these two levels are broke, I got the double confirmation, you know. Even there is a no consolidation there, but if the levels are broke, I will definitely go long, and I will put my stop loss on lowest line of the CPR. So this will be my stop loss, and my target is not fixed because there is a wide CPR, not wide also, there is a average to wide CPR. So that's why my stop loss is always not 1:2, always 1:1.5, 1:2 is also I will keep my stop loss. You have to fluctuate according to the market, you know. I will share you why I keep my stop loss at 1:2 only. So I got this breakout candle. So you guys know why I'm expecting a breakout, because there is a double confirmation, the center line of the CPR also, and the zone which we marked earlier, the gap up zone. So that's why there is a double confirmation. And look at the candle, the breakout candle. Always search for the breakout. There is a good breakout candle. Look at this breakout candle. There is a big wicks on downside, means the strong buyers are present. They are like very motivating to push market upside. So that's why this is a good candle to go long, you know. There is a big wicks on downside, and you know, not a big wicks on upside only, there is a kind of a small wicks on upside, but it's okay. So I had go long on this candle because of this double confirmation. The center line of the CPR, which is acts as a strong support and resistance, here it acts as a resistance, but it's broke this resistance, and the zone which we mark earlier, which is acts as a support here, and this levels also broken. So that's why I go long. And the structure of the candle, the big wicks on downside, means the strong buyers are present here. So that's why I go long on this candle. And what happened, I am expecting a kind of a 1:2, 1:1.5 at least. But what happened, whenever this candle is happen, I actually generally avoid to watch Bank Nifty and Nifty same time, because it will create a confusion. But what happened at this level, whenever the market has goes at this level, so the Bank Nifty has an important resistance, which is the CPR resistance. So that's why I think that if the Bank Nifty will reverse, the Nifty will also reverse. That's why I book my profit on this candle itself. So this is the main reason which I book my profit on this way. And this is the sideways day, so that's on a sideways day, so you on a wide CPR, so you can expect a kind of a range bound day, means sideways day. So that's why I book my profit on this candle. So which I said earlier, you have to become fluctuate. You don't want that I have to book my 1:2 profit only, because if you decide this kind of a stuff, you will get your stop loss also. This is the small thing where novice trader make mistake. And this is the trade. I will discuss again that why I'm expecting the CPR breakout. This is not a CPR breakout. I had taken the trade inside the CPR only. The main reason, there is a two important resistance which is broken by this candle. This is central CPR line, and the zone gap up zone which we marked earlier, and the structure of this candle. Look at the structure. There is a big wicks on downside. So I am very positive to go long. I go long on this candle. I book my profit here only, because not 1:2, because at the time the Bank Nifty is in the important resistance, which is the CPR resistance. So it's very important to break the CPR on first try. So that's why I book my profit, because it's reverse from here also. So this was the trade which I want to share you about, and we'll meet on next video. Till that, peace out.